A bike is better than a family member.
Oh.
It's never going to let you down.
Okay.
It'll always give you a ride away from the madness.
Oh, okay. See?
Getting around.
What's up, baby?
I'm more friends.
Wives are great, but bikes are eternal.
Okay. Something that I never thought I'd be doing. I'm on the way to say my final goodbyes to my line brother. I'm on the way to my line brother's Omega service. This is generally not what you would see on most YouTube channels, but we all have to say goodbyes to somebody we love. And this gentleman, this brother, I love him dearly. Generally, in what was referred to as Divine Nine Fraternity Sororities, you're a member for life. I never thought I'd be doing this as early as I am, but I am my brother's keeper. In Divine Nine Fraternity Sororities, or organizations of the National Pan-Hellenic Council, you generally are a member for life, and most, if not all, of the organizations have a ceremony where you're inducted to their final chapter. In Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity Incorporated, we call it Omega Chapter, and it is our chapter of sleep rest. I'm in traffic right now, trying to make it there, and I need to take it easy. Nobody won't be coming to my Omega service anytime soon. So my line brother, John D. Williams. He was a Marine, a father, a brother, an uncle, a husband, and a damn good man. Made it here. Time to get ready to go and do this. said a bike. You said a bike is
A
what?
bike is better than a family member.
Oh.
It's never going to let you down.
Okay.
It'll always give you a ride away from the madness.
Oh, okay. See?
What's up, baby?
I'm more friends with the Lowry.
Even though I do love my wife. I have awesome family, awesome wife, awesome children. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wives are great, but bikes are eternal.
Okay. Yeah. Appreciate that. I'm gonna turn that into a commercial.
What a great. Okay.
All right, so we're about to get ready to head out to Quantico for burial. So be back in a second. I had to go a little ahead of the procession because, of course, I'm on a air-cooled motorcycle and they're moving pretty slow on the highway. But I want to come up, get ahead, and let them come on out. And here they go right here. Brother right there. So, of course I didn't record anything for the ceremony, but this is Quantico National Cemetery. And I wanted to keep everything private. But yeah, my dear line brother, John Douglas Williams. Now, I'm on the way back to DC for the Repass. So, I gotta get back way uptown near Howard University. And I'll be back with y'all shortly. So I'm just making it to the new Lambda Foundation house. What the repass is. Let me get out of this helmet. So glad to be out of this helmet. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, I don't know. Like, it's a lot of traffic, and I'm on a motorcycle, so I just shot down the side.
Shot on the side.
Yeah. I didn't.
You didn't have to worry about the traffic.
Well, yeah, I did. I mean, it was still heavy, but yeah, it'll probably be a little while before everybody else get here. 2405 Alpha Phi Alpha Way. What is it? Northwest? No, just Alpha Phi Alpha Way. Yeah. Northwest Washington, D.C. Let's go on in and take a look at the new Lambda Foundation house. Oh. Hey. How's everything? How you good folks doing?
Good at yourself.
All right. Yes, sir. So I had a good time seeing John's family under unfortunate circumstances. But we can keep the momentum going and see the rest of Mu Lambda Spring 2009 line. 5 NSOD. And yeah, we all haven't seen each other in a few years. It's rather unfortunate that we're all coming back together under these unfortunate circumstances, but what was definitely evident today is don't put off what you can do today for tomorrow. About to walk into the Hamilton here in Washington, D.C. See where everybody's at. What's happening, baby? Not much. Hey, I'm gonna find who we got to find, you know what I'm saying? After you said. Good brothers. How you good brothers doing? What's going on, LB?
What's up, man?
Can't call. Man, I can't call. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
You're good. Can't call, bro. All right.
It's good to see you, man.
Yes, sir. Good seeing you. Good
How you doing?
Man, I'm blessed and grateful, bro. Like me and Kama were talking. It was like, damn, I hate that we put off doing this for so long and meeting under these unfortunate circumstances.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you got the
GoPro, yeah.
So you're an influencer? And then you got it all the time.
So we just sat here with the rest of Mu Lambda Spring 2009 line. We got Kama here, we got Marcel, we got Michael. Unfortunately, we're missing John. Oh, look at that. So our goal is to definitely do this more often. The goal was to basically be able to represent for our line brother. We're going to miss him. So we let brothers know, attend Omega services for your brothers or brothers you know, because that's an important part of being a member of any organization, and especially Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity Incorporated. Look, it's been real. We got more stuff, more trash to talk, but thank you for tuning in to this episode of Bill I Repeat. 06 to the good bros, and all right, John, see you on the next side.